Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Firms often struggle with cost curves, but we can master this relationship quickly. Let's find what must be true when average variable cost is falling. The relationship between marginal and average values is key here. If the average variable cost is currently decreasing, it means the marginal cost must be pulling that average value down lower. While marginal cost typically falls and then rises, it must stay below the average variable cost to keep it dropping. This mathematical rule holds true regardless of the specific marginal trend. Returns to scale involve long-run changes, so ignore options B and C. This leaves the mathematical necessity found in option D. You got this. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.